So here is Michael. I will show you how to start with everything because I have to wait for my Cloud Code subscription to set back the limits. So the first thing is here on the left lower part, there is the account. You have to log in, of course. So once you created your account, you log in. Then you go here to the subscription tab and you start a free trial subscription if you don't have a higher subscription yet. Then second, you go to the global settings here. You go to projects. You click on this button here to create a new project with your name and your path. You just keep the instance like it is. Basically, you can define if you want to use one instance of exploit per project. This is something you can change here. Or if you want to use many different projects in the same instance of exploit. But I really recommend to keep it like this. So one instance per project. Then you need to connect your AI solutions. Here is some general stuff. I will not go in detail with this because this is a very short onboarding video, but here you can see the different AI models that are supported, and you can see the advantages and disadvantages of them. And here you basically can also define for 5 different strengths, like ultra, strong, standard, basic, and light, which AI models you want to use. The gray ones, they are not available for you because you did not connect them yet. And then later you can just switch, for example, to strong, and it will automatically, according to your fallback order, take the right models. But I might make a new video just about this topic. So the most important for you is that you are connecting your subscriptions like Cloud Code or Codex. You just click on the Add Account button. You put in a name and your mail address of the account, and then you just click on Next. A pop-up window comes up and you're just going through these pop-up instructions to connect the account. You need to have Codex or Cloud Code installed, like the Windows or Linux version on your PC, so that it can be found, obviously. Yeah, and that's it basically. Then you will see your account here, and then you can start using the agents. The next step is that you need to click on this plus button here, because this is creating a new work stream. You just confirm that you want to use it for your project and that you want to create a new work stream. You put in a name and click on OK. So let's do it as a test. Then it would automatically guide you to this other overview where you can see all the different work streams, or at least it should work. Maybe it's not doing it for me now for some reason. I'm sorry for that. Then you can also do it manually. You just click here on the development tab and on this tab here for agents. And you're scrolling down in this case to get to the test. Okay, maybe it was not created because I already had it before with a different writing. Anyway, and here you have the button for add agents. You can choose which account you want to use, typically your own account, then from all the AI solutions you was setting up, like Codex, Cursor, whatever, Windsurf, or the APIs from OpenAI, Anthropic, XAI, Google AI. So you basically just choose what you want to use, including Olama, which is local models, or pretty much recommended is OpenRouter, where you get access to like 400 models. You just choose the right option here, and then you choose the model and the role. The role is typically coding in most cases, but there is different roles, of course. And then you are clicking on the plus button, on this plus add agent button, to add a new coding agent with the specifications you used. Used an older model, 4.6. Anyway, it's just for showing. And here you can switch to the it's already opened, my mistake. To the work stream. As you can see, if you put in here the name of the work stream, you can filter it. It's more easy to find it. And this is the agent. It already started here with the onboarding. And yeah, normally it should now be available for you to talk with it. In my case, since I created it for Claude Code and Claude Code subscription is right now limited, maybe there will not be much working now. But when you click with the right mouse key on the agent name here, you have a long list of options, and beside many other options, you can change the AI model. So to Codex, for example, you can transfer the context or just start fresh. I will just start fresh. And now you can see the model is changed, and we are getting now Codex, which should, with GPT 5.5, which should work better. So with right mouse key, you find here all the basic functionalities, which is a lot. You just try around. You can see it anyway, based on the names, what it is doing, like creating teams and so on. I will not go in detail with this. And with the just mouse over, you have the tooltip with most information about the agent. Good, that's it. Then you basically can just start. I can also here with the plus button, you can add new agents. So for example, let's make a project manager, PM. So project manager, and okay, now I was doing it again with Claude Code, which is right now limited. So Codex, let's do it like this. It's not necessary that you have a project manager in all of your work streams, because there is always like your CXOs, your CTO, CPO, and so on, and they are doing the management for you. You can find them here. You just click on this. This is now the CPO, Zoe, or with the right mouse key, you open the menu, and then you can click, for example, on Oleg. He's the CTO, and so on. And you get back here with clicking on the chat. So this is the chat with the CPO directly. If you click on this, and this is the chat here with the agents. And of course, they can all communicate with each other. So you normally don't need to do anything, but otherwise you just tell them to communicate with each other, and that's it. You can create basically a lot of different AI agents here in each work stream. You can make more work streams, of course. I also have like 100. And all of them are connected, of course. You just tell them what you want. They create the plans, they create the tasks, the features, and everything else. So normally it should be pretty simple to use. But I will make separate videos for more details. Thanks for watching and have fun. If you need anything, just reach out to me.